This is for Math for Liberal Arts Review Test 2 on Chapter 3. We're going to do the first 7 questions, and it says that if a statement is a simple, negation, conjunction, disjunction, conditional, or biconditional. So in this case that we are looking for the dominance in this case. Don't forget that the most dominance is actually outside the parentheses, followed by the biconditional, the conditional, disjunction, conjunction, negation, and a simple statement means you don't have any connectives at all. So look at the first example. It says the hurricane did 400,000 worth of damage to DeSoto County. So in this case, this is actually a simple question, a simple statement. The reason why this is a simple statement is because we don't have any connectives on it. Now for question 2, it says that it is false that if David fixes your car, then you will need to pay him cash. So you have to write this in a symbolic form. Every time when you have the word it is false, sometimes we also use it as it is not true. We always will have a negation and a parenthesis. So the sentence David fixes your car will be given us as P, and you will need to pay him cash will be denoted as Q. So since we got the if-then statements, so this is written down as P arrow Q. So what statement is this? Since we have a negation outside, so this is actually a negation statement. Okay, the dominance always goes to the sign that is outside the parentheses. For question 3, it says that the figure is a pentagon if and only if it has 5 sides. So in this case, we have the statements, the figure is a pentagon is P, and it has 5 sides is Q. So this statement is actually will translate to become P 2 arrows Q. That will be used for if and only if, and the dominance in this case belongs to the biconditional. Okay. For question 4, it stated that if the car has gas and the battery is charged, then the car will start. So in this question, we are talking about 3 sentences here, 3 simple sentences. The car has gas is P, the battery is charged is Q, the car will start will be R. So we write this in a symbolic form. P, the N is the caret or the pyramid sign, the battery is charged is Q. Now we have the if-then statements. The if-then statement is arrow, and the car will start will be R. Now since this question has a comma in this case means we have to give parentheses, so the parentheses should be given for P and Q. And this statement is actually a conditional statement. The reason why I say this statement is a conditional statement is because arrow is the most dominant in this case. Okay. For question 5, we got symbolic form of Q arrow P, double arrow P, arrow Q. So again, the most dominant in this case is a double arrow, which is a biconditional. For question 6, everything that is outside the parentheses, or in this case brackets, is considered as most dominant. So in this case, for question 6, it will be a negation statement. For question 7, the most dominant in this case will be the arrow, which will be the conditional statement.